Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. Today we are going to unbox a watch that you might not have heard much about. Today we have with us Citizen AW1723, aka Citizen Endicott. It's been some time since I started collecting watches, and this wrist has experienced thousands of watches. While I have had my fair share of some luxury watches and limited edition watches, there is something special about a good everyday watch. Something that can handle the rigors of daily life while still looking stylish and refined. And that's where the Citizen Endicott comes in. This watch has been flying under the radar for a while, but it's a real hidden gem. It offers a classic timeless design with a touch of modern flair, all at a very reasonable price point. So let's find out and see what this Citizen Endicott is all about. Let's quickly unbox it. The watch comes with a 5 years warranty, extendable to 6 years with online registration. Look at this beautiful watch. I just love the combination of rose gold and black leather strap. Let's check the dimensions first. The dial size is 42 mm, thickness is 11 mm, lug width is 22, and lug to lug is 48.5 mm. I purchased the watch from Endicott and paid 18,000 Indian rupees, which is equal to 208 US dollars. The other variants of Citizen Endicott are blue dial with dual tone bracelet and black dial with silver case. The case is made of stainless steel polished in glossy rose gold finish and has brushed finish on the sides. The case back is a screw down type and has information about the watch serial number, J810 Eco Drive movement, sapphire crystal, and 100-meter water resistant. The watch uses push and pull crown. The crown is unsigned and has sunburst effect on it. And it is protected by these grooves on both sides. The watch features a 22 mm black genuine leather strap. It is attached to a butterfly clasp. The quality of the strap seems decent and feels like it's going to age well. The dial is absolutely breathtaking. It comes in a deep black color and has textured finish, almost like a sandstone. The indices are applied on the dial. The hands 3, 6, 9, 12 positions are treated with the luminescent material. Here are some lume shots for you. The date window is at 3 o'clock position. The watch houses a Eco Drive movement. It is a ring type solar movement. The solar cells are applied on the ring, which is around the bezel. Citizen is one of the most trusted names in the watch industry, known for its innovative technology like the Eco Drive movement. It is accurate and you will never have to think about the battery replacement. Now it's time to try this on and find out if it is wrist-worthy or not. So this is how it goes on my 7-inch wrist. The 42 mm case size strikes a good balance and makes it suitable for medium to large wrists. The 11 mm thick case size sits comfortably and slips easily under most shirt cuffs. While having a noticeable presence for casual wear, it goes pretty good with office and party wear too. The leather strap is good and molds to the wrist almost instantly. It doesn't feel stiff and the buckle closure ensures an easy fit. If you are into swapping straps, the standard lug width allows for plenty of aftermarket options from NATO straps to rubber or leather straps. Overall, the on-wrist experience is fantastic. Let's check how it looks when compared with Citizen Zenshin. And this is how it goes with Seiko Solar. If you haven't seen our reviews on these watches, please click on the link in the description below. The Citizen Endicott is more than just a watch. It is a well-made and attractive watch that offers a blend of style and functionality. Its Eco Drive technology makes it environmentally friendly and convenient, while its stylish design and durable construction makes it a versatile timepiece for everyday wear. In conclusion, if you are looking for a stylish, reliable watch with a touch of luxury, the Citizen Endicott is definitely worth considering, and it might just be your next wrist-worthy purchase. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and remember, every great collection starts with a watch that's truly wrist-worthy. If this video has helped you to decide on Citizen Endicott, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more watch content. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.